Here's a question every budgeting app executive should be asking right now. What happens if your budgeting app ranks on Google, but never shows up in the conversations, reviews, and AI-generated recommendations where buyers actually make decisions? For many budgeting apps, that's becoming the difference between being discovered and being ignored. I'm Mark Huntley, founder and CEO of Siteworks Studio. At Siteworks Studio, we study how brands become easier to find, compare, cite, and recommend across Google, AI answers, and the public sources buyers trust before making decisions. The budgeting apps market has changed dramatically. People still search for terms like best budgeting app, expense tracker, or recurring payment tracker. But they don't stop there. Today's buyers move between Google search results, Reddit discussions, YouTube tutorials, review platforms, and increasingly AI-generated answers before they choose a financial tool. That means visibility is no longer just a ranking problem, it's a recommendation problem. And recommendation stage visibility is becoming one of the most important competitive advantages in financial software. One of the biggest lessons from this budgeting app case study is that buyers rarely trust a single source. Instead, they validate decisions across multiple environments. They read reviews, they watch creators explain different budgeting apps, they compare options in community discussions. And AI platforms increasingly pull information from those same public sources when generating recommendations. The result is a dual-channel discovery environment. Traditional search still matters. But public conversations and trusted third-party sources now play a major role in shaping both human decisions and AI-generated answers. The takeaway is simple. Ranking well is valuable, but ranking alone is no longer enough. The second major lesson is the importance of citation footprint. Citation footprint refers to the breadth and quality of public references that influence how AI systems and buyers perceive a brand. For this budgeting app, the objective wasn't simply to increase mentions. The objective was to strengthen visibility across trusted discussions, reviews, and comparison environments where budgeting apps are actively evaluated. As visibility expanded across those environments, the brand achieved measurable improvements. The campaign expanded visibility to 352 tracked keywords. 173 of those keywords reached Google's top 10 positions. The brand achieved an average ranking position of 8. And visibility expanded across 47 cited pages connected to discovery and recommendation stage moments. The important point isn't the numbers themselves. The important point is what those numbers represent, broader influence during the research phase of the customer journey. Financial software categories operate differently from many other markets. When someone chooses a budgeting app, they're trusting that product with sensitive financial information and long-term financial habits. Because of that, trust signals matter more. Buyers want reassurance from real users. They want creator recommendations. They want balanced reviews and independent validation. That's why citation architecture becomes strategically important.